Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to fix Discord mic quality. First, go to the bottom left corner of Discord and click on User Settings. Now scroll down and go to this App Settings sections and click on Voice and Video. Now click on Debugging and then select Reset Voice and Video Settings to start fresh, then confirm the reset. Once the Discord reloads, go back to Voice and Video and select this Voice, and under this input device, make sure your correct microphone is selected and set your input volume to around 85% for a good balance. Now scroll down. Under this input mode, use voice activity. It usually works best. Now for input sensitivity, keep it on automatic. And if your voice cut off, try turning off this echo cancellation and set noise suppression to crisp for better clarity. If you're still having issues, now scroll down and turn on advanced voice activity. But if it's making things worse, then you can always turn it back off. And that's it. Hopefully your mic now sounds much better on Discord, and let me know in the comment section if it helped. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next video.